Sakafet. Yes, I Jaja. Sakafet. Welcome back to Yes, I Entertainment. So today let's go and see. Let's go and ride my bike. Let's go and ride my Franken bike. The bike is all messed up, and I am trying to fix up my wife's bike because I've been riding for many years and I don't feel like buying another bike. I'm trying to. She never uses that bike, so I'm just gonna transfer. As a matter of fact, I have transferred some things from this bike to that bike. The seat that was on this bike is now on that one, as well as the handlebar. So I just gotta fix this gear thing. This gear. I just gotta wash the gear on the bicycle, because this one is I don't know what's wrong with it. I don't really want to invest in it, and I don't want to buy a new bicycle. I just don't. Or I may, but for now, if this one is sitting over here and not being used, might as well use it as since my wife doesn't use it. I think they did away with gender bicycles. So let's go for a ride. Let's tune in the bike. Okay, I'll be right back. Yes, so I'm back. I had to wait a little while to be a few blocks from my house because security is a big thing here in America. So you want to be careful of the yahoos out here, especially if you are doing the YouTube. You don't really want to let people know where you live at. Now, with that out of the way, let's bicycle and chat. Anu monter bicyclette et puis anu faire un petit causé. Yeah, this is just down from my neighborhood. Anyway, I had to start doing my bicycle work because I was putting on too much weight. My current weight is like 220 pounds, and I need to cut that back to at least 200 pounds. I knew this was gonna happen because I stopped working out. I stopped working out about 6 months ago to give the gym a break. And you know what happens once you stop working out, you start to put on weight while the muscle turns to fat. I'm not fat, but I'm trying to go back to being at least looking athletic. In the past, I used to lift a lot of weight. I used to be in the gym like at least 6 days a week. Ballooned up to 230. Now I'm at 220. So we will see where it takes us. When I moved to this country, I was at least 130 pounds. But, you know, I tried to maintain that weight, but I couldn't, obviously. So, if you are considering moving to this country, be careful. You may just want to keep your weight. Be careful, watch your weight very carefully. And as usual, I guess you have no choice. Once you get married, you put on the pounds, then you get older, your metabolism slows down, and you gain the weight. I'm not trying to be youthful looking, but at the same time, in the meantime, I want to look at least, well, it's for my health, really. It's for my health. It's for my health. My advice to you is, if you're moving to America, make sure the very first thing that you do is buy a bicycle. Also, it's a nice way to get to know the neighborhoods. I normally don't give any advice, but that's the way I experience it. Okay, let me talk about myself. I like being outside like this, like on a bicycle, convertible car. And at one time I used to ride a motorcycle, especially during the summertime. It's very nice. It's very nice. Okay. I don't know what's wrong with my brakes. It's a nice little workout right there. I could feel it in my bones. This person is trying to cross over here. Okay. Come on, bye. See, this is why I am transferring all of my stuff from this bicycle to the next one. Too much noise, I gotta walk back. Anyway, while I walk back, I'm gonna make a small chat in Creole. I don't know what's wrong with it. Take it to the mechanic to get it fixed. Bon après-midi à la jodi a mwen ka marcher de wajinas la me week pour faire ti exercice. Mwen te ka di zot ke, mwen te ka di se moun la en anglais ke. C'est juste ça, mwen ka conduit ba bicyclette. Parce que c'est quoi il ka fait chaud, comme ça mwen ka sway. Ça c'est pour ça Timon. Parce que 6 mois passés, moi j'étais a wete ka leve fe a di da gym. Paske mwen te men pou pose ti tak. Mwen te ka vin to gwo. Mwen te ka peze plis ki 230. Ba, koman ti chans, ou sa sav depi le ou a wete ka fe egzersis epi se vide sa la men. Ti mam nou ke toune enda di gwes, e se sa ki menm ki fet mwen la. Se gwes ki ka moteni gwo mam, apwe se gwes, mam toune ko gwes. Moteni ou pose ti tak, jodi ala mwen ka kodwi, mwen ka moute bisiklet. Moute bisiklet. Pour faire mon primaire, pour mon primaire. Une bicyclette, mon bac à travail. Ah ben ça c'est dernier fois mon cas pour bicyclette ça pour aller faire exercice parce que bac à travail bon. On a mon marché. Mon marché l'instant. Actuellement, il n'y a pas quand même. On nous parle. On nous parle. Oui, ça m'a dit que on a fait exercice de voix. Quand on l'a arrivé. On m'a envoyé des vidéos pour manger ça parce qu'il n'y a pas qu'à boire les pièces. Il n'y a pas qu'à boire. On m'a envoyé des vidéos là. Donc, je vais aller.